This is going to be a video product review of the Victor. This is a plastic trap. It is the Quick Kill mouse trap, easy, quick, humane. And when you're dealing with a mouse, you don't really need to do a lot of damage to snap its neck. They're usually very small compared to rats. So you can see these are the instructions on the back on how you set the thing. You lift up the little door, you put your bait in there, then you lift up the kill bar. The rodent's going to go over there, and when it tries to open up the bait door, if it tries to do that, this bar, the kill bar, will come over. All you have to do is release it, clean the trap, and set it again. I'll leave an affiliate link in the video description if you want to order this. Please do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Click on the notification bell if you want to donate to my channel. Ask for my PayPal info. So here it is. And it has such a light spring in it that I'm not worried about hurting myself, as I would with some of the big heavy-duty rat traps that will really hurt you. So that's the trap, that's the spring, that's the kill bar. In this trap I put in, instead of putting peanut butter, you always want to put in different types of foods. Maybe you want to put in chocolate, peanut butter, dog food, a little piece of kibble. They don't really eat cheese. And you try different traps, different companies, different models, different brands, different baits, and see what works for you, because not one of them, there's not one that's going to work for everything and everybody. So this is what it's all about. It's already set up. Be careful, don't do what I'm doing, but my finger's away from the kill bar, and I've already put the food inside here. So when I lift this door, he's going to go over here, or she, try to get the bait, and very little tension is needed to try to open this door. Oh, and there it is. And the dog food went flying, and the kill bar would have snapped down on the neck, and that's all she wrote. Very easy to set. So what you do is you just lift up the door. These are also easy to clean, very simple to clean. You can wash them in a bucket or in the sink. You don't have the bait cup that's very difficult to clean like the other brands. So you just go in there, clean it, make sure you wear gloves. You don't want your scent on these things. And then you put your food in there, close the door, and look how easy this is to set. You just lift it up, you lift up the kill bar, and it's set. Mouse comes along, goes over to the Victor Quick Kill mouse trap, puts its little schnozzle over there trying to get its peanut butter, and poof. Goodbye, Mr. Mouse. Hopefully you've enjoyed my video. If you want to order this, click on the affiliate link in the video description to get the Victor Quick Kill mouse trap. And like I was saying, 3 of them are in the package, so it's a good deal. I have lots of different brands of mouse traps, and I use lots of different baits, and if one doesn't catch it, the other one will. So don't give up. You will catch them.